Hello lovely crafters, today I'm gonna make simple upholstered dining chairs. It's just made of cardboard, sponge and some leftover fabric. Your old clothes will do. First, we're gonna need just a little of cardboard. We need to measure it accurately to make a little angle, like this. Let's put them all together with hot glue. I'm doing this to cover some texture of the cardboard. Basically, you can use any fabric you like, but I recommend cotton. Place the hot glue only on this line, because sometimes it leaves some texture that can be seen. Then wrap it like a gift, as neat as you can. Ouch! Be careful with your fingers and the hot glue. Now watch it carefully how I did the corner. This is what I like about cotton. I can fold it easily, almost like paper. It's gonna be difficult if I'm using slippery fabric like satin or chiffon. There we go. Now let's put them together. It's gonna make a little angle like this, just like every chair should be. With any paper, make a pattern like this. This is for the sponge. Let's hot glue them together. Just a little hot glue will do. Secure again the every corner. It usually won't stick very well. Now we need to cover this flow. You can use faux leather braid like this. It's about 4 millimeters wide. Or natural fiber rope like this. Or a simple small ribbon like this. Just be creative with the design, because I believe each of you have your own personal style. I'm gonna choose my favorite. How about a different color? And another different color. I'm doing a design experiment right here. Almost done. Now we need the legs. I'm using 7 centimeters wood dowels that you can find in online stores. Believe me, online store has everything. Now you have to place it perfectly before the glue gets dry. For the backside leg, you have to make an angle, like this. You can still move it while the glue is still hot. Just use the moment. Make sure it's perfect from each side. The perfect Barbie scale for the seat height is 8 centimeters. This is the sponge, the cardboard, and the legs. It makes a perfect 8 centimeters. When you see Barbie sitting with her feet touching the ground, it means the scale is right. And this is another design I've made. I'm using natural color fabric and natural fiber rope. And I also try to use Indonesian traditional pattern batik. You can also mix and match the fabric. How about mixing two types of pattern in matching colors? Or maybe mixing 4 types of pattern in unmatching colors. It creates a unique patchwork look. So, which one do you like? Ken, I can't decide what I like most.
Well, you don't have to choose. We need 6 chairs for the table. Just mix them up together.
Ah, what a great idea! But wait a minute, aren't we missing something? How about the dining table?
Oh, about that. I think we have to wait for the next video.
Well, okay. I think you need to stay tuned in this channel.
Please like and subscribe.
And leave your comment down below.
That's right. But first, I think I'm gonna take this chair for my office.
Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you like my video. Bye!